Nih, ternyata gara-gara ini. Gara-gara orang lupa nutup keran nih. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya Allah. Orang nutup keran kita jadi kebanjiran nih. Waduh, gimana ceritanya ini? Kacau. Jadi beli Ali. Cek lur, acur lur. Acur lur. Lo, ini gede lo ini. Wes, ayah, api ki.
Pada sikul, pada ada flag. Ada flag ini. Puto. There's no water.
Indonesia. Several equalities were flooded due to the overflow of the Oya River, which flooded the banks and hit the Bejihardjo-Ngavis highway. Two students named Muhammad Ardian from Pongjong and his friend Ari Herlambang from Jatiayu Karangmojo village, Gunungkidul, were washed away. The victims were rescued by search and rescue team and local residents in serious conditions. To this day, the Regional Disaster Management Agency is still updating information on the impact of the 5 floods. According to reports of the heavy rain clouds that occurred last night, in addition to floods and landslides in Pukansari, Candireho village, Semanu, a stream of water broke out of the ground. The water level reached 3-4 meters. Meanwhile, in Ngrandu, Katongan Nglipar village, a landslide occurred and the road was cut off, resulting in increased traffic and isolation of the area. The residents who saw what happened immediately reported it to the Katongan government, and the search and rescue team and the residents were evacuated.